Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. Okay, today I would like to explain to you about how to use a count function in Excel. Count function is used to calculate the total, not total, the number of values inside your Excel only, not number of words or what, just number of numbers, number of values. Let's say we have number 1 until 10. Okay, 1 until 10 here. Okay, you may have thought that count function is an addition to all these numbers, but no. Count function is actually a function that we use to count the values 1 until 10. So it should have 10 numbers. What if your Excel have some mix of numbers and words? So if there is a 5 numbers in here, it should have 5. It should have total of 5 in this function. Okay, now I will proceed to the next topic, which is the XY scatter chart. Alright, XY scatter chart can be or graph can be used in Excel. How? Okay, first of all, select your data or your set of data first, and then click insert, and then go to the scatter XY, and then pick this. Alright, you can add the important things such as for example the label, like this title, and then the legends, which is we want to we want to know what is the data that we plot. Alright. Do not forget to insert your unit here at the end, because in order to avoid confusion with some other people. Alright, with that, I thank you.